Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting your timeline lean and predictable. Import clips and immediately trim rough in and out points so you aren't color correcting dead frames. Once done, make a duplicate clip or adjustment layer to compare before and after. That reference prevents overcorrection. You should also enable Capcut's LUTs folder and decide whether to work on originals or proxies for smoother playback. Now that your clips are prepped, move to balancing exposure and white balance as the next actionable step. You'll now balance exposure and neutralize color first because accurate color relies on proper luminance. Start with the waveform or histogram, pull blacks down, raise highlights, and position mids to preserve detail. Then fix white balance using temperature and tint until skin tones and neutral grays sit correctly. Small moves matter. Next, shape contrast with lift, gamma, gain, or the curves tool. This defines perceived depth. Make iterative passes, adjust exposure, then color, then contrast until the image reads. You finish by adding character and checking delivery. Apply a LUT or creative curve but reduce strength, often 10 to 40%, so the grade complements the base fix. Use HSL or selective masks to tweak problematic hues and protect skin tones. Subtle saturation and luminance shifts go far. Once satisfied, export a short test clip and view it on the target device to confirm color and contrast. If colors shift or banding appears, revisit bit depth, render settings, or reduce heavy saturation as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.